Szeretettel köszöntünk benneteket, itt van velem Katinka Soetens, és különleges workshopokra készülünk februárban, egészen pontosan most a február 6-ai Epona Visszatér workshopról szeretnénk nektek egy kis ízelítőt hozni. So, I would like to introduce all the topic of yours. Katinka, could you tell us more about what's going to happen on February the 6th when we're coming to Hungary and we can recall Epona, the great goddess of love and the horses and sovereignty and the truth.
Oh, thank you, Nicoletta. It's so lovely to see you. And thank you for inviting me back to Hungary. I am so excited to come and be with you, particularly at this important point, actually. It's in bulk, it's the new start. Everything starts to become alive with the fire of our life force. And it is the Chinese New Year that, of course, you know a lot about, Nicoletta, and it's the fire horse. Now, yeah, I thought this was absolutely important to connect this energy of the fire horse, this new year beginning, the arriving of life, returning into all of nature and into our bodies. That is the festival of Imbolc, with the reclaiming, the rising of the goddess Epona back into our consciousness and into our bodies. And she is the ancient European horse goddess, and actually she originates, really her form originates in what Maria Gimbutas called Old Europe, of which Hungary is a part. And from my own experience of having visited particularly Budapest several times now, for me there's something about the fire in Hungarian people that I find is like, you are like horse people, you know, you are like, there's a fierceness, a deliciousness, an aliveness. And this can, of course, get distorted, but in its beautiful, fiery energy, for me, it links very much into how we reclaim our sovereignty, exactly as you said, Nicoletta, and what that means, but also how we return to that aliveness of our fire in our body as a sacred source, from which our actions can arise really in connection to the path and the truth of our heart. And so this is what I'm hoping to talk about on the Friday evening when I will be in Budapest with you. Please come and be ignited by the delightful, delicious presence of this very ancient horse goddess who teaches us about how to ride life and how to ride our own sacred sexual energy into our hearts so that we may shine like the new plants, like the new buds, like the little flowers that are beginning at this time of the year, and igniting the passion of our heartland, of our true home in our heart, and how we may manifest that in our life in all the wonderful ways you may choose to do so. This for me is the rising of Epona, the returning of Epona as great goddess within ourselves to guide us in that.
Wow, thanks a lot, and we're really looking forward to it. Hát gyönyörűség, amivel készül, és hallhatjátok, hogy mennyi szenvedély van Katinkában, és hozzá mennyi tudás, amiből most csak megcsillottatott egy-két mondatot. Ismerjétek meg őt, gyertek a workshopra, 6-án találkozunk, február 6-án és 16 órakor már el lehet kezdeni készülődni, 6 órakor pedig indul maga a workshop, a Harmónia Palotában leszünk, a Kálvin téren, nagyon jól megközelíthető helyen. Egy gyönyörű helyet sikerült neki találni, tényleg méltó módon ünnepelhetjük a szuverenitásunk, a szabadságunk és a belső tüzünk ébredésének idejét a Tűz Ló beköszöntének nyitányában. Várunk benneteket szeretettel.
Yes, come prepared to move a little. Come prepared to find your inner fire. Come prepared to be surprised and awakened by the presence of Epona at the threshold of the year of the fire horse.
Thank you very much, Katinka. We are looking forward to you. And all of you who would like English speakers to join us, because the workshop is going to be English and for the Hungarians translated. So if you are happen to be around Hungary this time, to join us and come to the workshop. Thank you very much, Katinka, and see you in February the 6th.
Thank you, darling.